How to update Clubhouse app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Clubhouse application. And how do you do that? The first step is to open your mobile device and then head over to the application store where you got your app. It could be your Apple Store, it could be your Play Store. For me, I got my application, that is my Clubhouse application from my Play Store, so I'm just going to head there. So once you're in the home page, you will be brought to the page where you will see a number of games and move to the bottom right corner, click on the search icon, and then in the search box, type out Clubhouse. By doing that, you'll be brought to the page where you see your Clubhouse. Then if there is a recent update on this application, in the position where you can see open, you'll see the option update instead. Alright, if there's a recent update. So just click on it. Once you click on the update option, the updates will be downloaded and added to your Clubhouse application instantly. Yeah, instantly. So that is it. Alright, this is basically how you can update your Clubhouse application. Thank you for watching and go ahead to try this out. Have a good day.